I'm starting to do worthless live streams where nobody watches them, and I thought I'd put some cool stuff behind me. Seen some other live streamers, and it just looked like they were a kid again with everything behind them. I'm gonna be a kid forever, so I went ahead and purchased this, a few other things on it has the last person's address. Bought it used. Thanks for product has a second life. This is how it came. Looks like it's been shipped out a few times. I hope the thing works. It says it's neon. It's not gonna be neon. It's gonna be this weird new thing they got. That looks like neon, but is not neon. And here we go. Looks clear when it's off. Let's power it on. Just takes USB. I gotta go get a charge brick. Okay. I'll have a 1 amp charge brick. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, we'll put it on the 2 amp. Be cool if it works off of 1 amp. Test it before we totally open it. Open the switch, and it looks like it works. Let's go ahead and open it all the way. Love getting stuff second hand because 90% of the time it comes and it's still new. It's got neon little rubber stuff. It's not neon. It's just rubber looking stuff with LEDs behind it. Peel off all the plastic. I do like that it has a glass back, not a glass back, like a plastic back, so that when you put it up against the wall, it's flat. Doesn't look like there's a hook. There's a hook, and that is on the top. It's pretty heavy. I'm still thinking 3M tape would probably hold it to the wall, them little strips that you rip off. It's definitely not neon, even though it's listed as neon. If anybody knows, neon kind of flickers on. It makes like a transformer sound. So if you're buying this and you want it to be real neon, it is not neon. Looks like it's got a 3-foot cord on it, with the switch being about 1 foot in. Does work on a 1 amp. White takes a little bit longer to turn on than the rest. Game room. I'm gonna shut my light off. See what it looks like. Hopefully that focuses. Looks pretty good. I only paid 18 bucks for it, I think. Definitely not neon. Don't expect it to be neon. These things are just glued on. Hope they stay. Good enough for me. Actually looks real neon in the photos. What's it look like from the back? Oh shoot, it looks cooler from the back. Yeah, I like the back better than the front, because the front has like, are you supposed to have it like that? Like, see, you can barely tell there's joints right there, but if you look at it from this side, joint. Like, that doesn't look like neon at all. Be good enough on my wall, especially from far away. And on the stream, it'll most likely look like this. If I shut it off, how does it look? Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.